here's another study, just came out last month, blowing apart the myth of cholesterol killing you. So this is a study from 10 institutions where they looked at patients between 1991 and 2014. So they followed them for a long time. They did CT angiograms on them, and they did cardiac calcium index scores. And what they found was the leading predictor of all-cause mortality, which is a good end result for a study. You know, if you're doing something and you die, you're dead. So that's an end result. And they found the leading predictor was age, and then smoking, and then diabetes, rampant in this country, and then hypertension. What they called a paradox, because everybody knows that cholesterol kills you and causes heart disease. That's not true. Was that the people that had the higher LDL levels, so low density lipoprotein, it's not a cholesterol, it's a cholesterol taxi, but you're told to keep your LDL under 100. And what that does is you don't live as long. So in this study, the people that lived the longest had an LDL level of 160. And you're told to keep it under 100. And I told you about a Norwegian study of 50,000 people in the past that showed people under or over 60 years old with a cholesterol level less than 200 don't live as long. So now that's been repeated in this study that was done here in the United States at 10 different prestigious university institutions. So quit worrying about your cholesterol. I mean, French people eat saturated fat like it's going out of style, and they have very low heart disease risk. So there's this thing where everybody thinks that cholesterol is the causal nature for heart disease, when it's really the way we've eaten carbohydrates in the last 50 years based on the recommendations that are stupid from the USDA since 1978. So another study showing you live longer if you have a higher cholesterol level.